Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This Multicam CNC Router Keypad came to us from a machine shop unresponsive. We had to perform several part changes and repair a number of bad connections, but after, all functions worked, and it was ready for use. On the monitor behind, we designed a custom software to communicate with this unit and check each button responds as they should. At ERD, we have decades of experience working on these types of CNC interfaces, so reach out for a quote today.